Okay guys, today we're going to be changing the laser in a slim PlayStation 2. This one was unusual in that it will only read the blue backed games, which is actually, they normally fail the other way first and they stop reading the blue backed games and will only read the silver backed games. But either way, I did attempt to give the laser a quick clean. That made no difference. It's taking these apart is fairly easy. 6 screws pretty much gets you into it. When taking apart the slim PS2, start over on the left and work your way. There's a little clip over here. Kind of feel like you're putting a bit of force into it, but it's not too bad. So here is your laser. To remove it, you have the big screw here holding down this worm gear. And then you have little small screws here on these retaining clips. Then you flick over your laser, a little brown retaining clip. And there's your, there's your old laser removed. Before installing your new laser, there will be a little solder bead here which has to be removed. Or else the laser won't do anything. And you're looking, if it'll focus, you should be trying to end up with 3 separate lines. Can't really get it to focus, but you should have 3 separate lines. If any of them are still touching, your laser won't work. Just pull down the little retaining clip. There's a little groove here. Make sure it's sitting in its groove. a magnetic screwdriver helps for this part. Finally, while I'm here, I'm just going to run a little bit of lithium grease. Not too much, just enough on the moving parts, just that while you're here. Putting it back together. Just make sure when putting this side down not to damage this little sensor, because it tells the PlayStation when the lid is closed. And just pop back in your 6 screws and you're done.